This influencer, that influencer, and so many influencers. Where did this word influencer even come from? It was never a business model. It started just as a hobby where people posted their travel blogs, makeup routines, games, etc. But when platforms introduced monetization, boom, a new economy was born, which today is worth over $250 billion. However, now, after so many years that the influencer industry has been creating jobs and businesses, brands have started to realize something very different. Consumer behavior today has changed. Now, before you go and make any online purchases, you go and look for the reviews. And of course, I'm talking about the raw and real reviews of the product. And that has drastically changed the way that brands view their own numbers. So these influencers with millions of followers are no more relatable for the mass audience, and they wish to see someone who is just like them. Before any influencers come looking for me in the comment section, ऐसा मैं नहीं कह रही हूँ. It is proven that 92% लोग किसी relatable creator की बात पर ज़्यादा भरोसा करते हैं more than the fancy ads. Big influencers definitely give a large reach, but not always sales. And brands now have cracked the code of how they can turn viewers into buyers. That's when user generated content came into the picture. Which is why many times while scrolling, you must have noticed a lot of ads showcasing real testimonials. Which is why brands are now hiring micro influencers, because that's what makes their brands more humanized and solution driven. So UGC is proving to be beneficial for brands, especially small businesses, because UGC costs 50 to 70% lesser than traditional ads, but gives equal or probably better ROIs. Now, earlier brands chased vanity metrics like likes, comments, and followers. Now they're chasing results, traffic, sales, repeat buyers. And yes, it's all about consumers like you and me, creating content that shapes how the world buys the product. So the next time you create a simple review video, remember that you are not just posting content, you are participating in a multi-billion-dollar industry. So if this video opened your eyes to how the creator world really works, imagine what else you can get to know out here, because that's the Jaya way.